very soon on some of these tasks, it's already doing better than we are. It will do everything better than we do. But there'll be an open question: is there something that is like to be one of these machines? I.e., are these machines conscious?
What are you doing? I got that!
I'm glad I have my camera out. Excuse me. And he was tailgating us, yeah? There's oncoming traffic and he's trying to pass these people. You know what? He almost just killed those people. What a piece of shit. What are we on, 202 East?
Yeah.
All right. Let me pause that for a minute.
Damn!
Kidding me?
Get out now.
Porque a ti les gusta él. No, fíjate, que para irle viviendo, pues.
Te voy a contar una historia de hombre. Y esa historia es mía. Óyeme bien.
Verídica.
Verídica. La mejor mujer de ese momento.
Yep, I'm all right. Just gotta figure out how to get out now.
You're in the bike lane.
Because they needed at least 800 milliliters. And we had to... Jesus Christ.
Toś fajnie narobił, skurwielu. Toś fajnie narobił, no. Fajnie, kurwa.
Because it's one way that
I know, I meant to
but
say...
you know what? We do have to stop at the stop sign.
Well, I already knew
Oh
no
yeah,
one was coming.
yeah, you never even left the gas, did you?
Yeah, 'cause I
I
already
stopped
knew.
us and you were still on the
You
gas.
don't even know.
Boom.
You don't even know. I already knew no one was here.
You knew no one was coming, so stop signs don't apply to you anymore?
Yeah. Why would I stop if no one's coming?
Exactly, yeah.
Think of it for a second.
You got this biker, he might
I
go
know.
in front of you.
I know, I just can't see in front of me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
yeah.
the haircut.
给我拿耳机出来，拿左耳朵这里。OK，我听到啊。
电源已断开。
Oh my god.